Today on Peanut Garage, we're going to fix some cooling issues on the VY. Alright, to combat the massive heating issue I've got, I'm going to have to drill this nice bar. I didn't want to do this, but I also don't want to lose an engine. So, more airflow. It is. So, marked it out, done the old tape and mark. We'll pick back up after I've drilled this thing into Swiss cheese. That doesn't look too bad. Hopefully that will increase airflow while it's sitting immensely. If not, we'll have to put a bottle of nitrous in there and do the old school Fast and Furious halo. See if we can bring it down. Also going to put some new fans in it. These factory ones aren't living up to expectation. It's got the second set in there now, and that's failed as well. Alright, so when I was up in Gladstone, the IATs were going through the roof. So we're going to try and make something to combat that, so we don't cook this poor fucking thing when there's no airflow. Well, the good thing is, once we got moving and got air through the intercooler, it started to come back down. But when we're at idle, waiting in pit lane, or staging lane, I really don't want IATs getting that high. Alright, so took some measurements before, got some CAD. If you don't know what CAD is, it's cardboard aided design. And we're just going to make a bit of a shield up to slip in here. So, the good thing about CAD is it's flexible. You can make sure it works before you actually go cut the material. That's the good thing. It's just a 350 by 350 square. And I'll chuck in the time lapse of making it, and then we'll fit it. Alright, there it is. Just cable tied in position for now. Yeah, I know it's covering the coils, and everyone takes the standard covers off, but should be fine. There's a bit of an air gap there. I'm more worried about IATs. If we blow a coil, I've got plenty spare. Be alright. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. We're going to be off to Drift Nation's spring event. So, to test the car, yeah, we'll see what happens. See if we fix the issues. If not, we'll go back to the drawing board and see if we can figure something else out. Well, we'll see you next time. Be good or be good at it. Cheers. Bye.